friends, it's Candice Kumai. I am the author of 7 different cookbooks. Today we're gonna make a delicious sweet potato smoothie. So one of the first things we want to do is get your roasted sweet potatoes, or maybe you made them last night and they're leftover. Place them straight into your blender. A tiny bit of toasted sweetened coconut. Frozen bananas work great because they give you the consistency of a milkshake. Cinnamon can actually help to boost brain health. Do a tiny bit of ginger. This has digestive properties in it. Peel it or leave it unpeeled. Either way is fine. You'll notice I let the skin on the sweet potatoes as well. The skin contains fiber and other delicate nutrients. I love spinach. I love kale. I love all these greens. AG1 makes it really easy. We're just gonna put a scoop in here. Now we're gonna add a little bit of coconut milk. If you really wanna stay healthy, you can definitely add water to this. Here we go. I want to show you what this is going to look like with the murasaki purple sweet potato. Murasaki sweet potato smoothie. It is delicious and gorgeous. So now you have your sweet potato smoothie, which you know you can make with regular sweet potatoes or yams at home. And then you also have your murasaki Japanese sweet potato smoothie. Fabulous.